Alright, hello my beautiful online babes. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maxine and I'm a makeup artist, content creator, and digital artist, illustrator, what may you. If you want to follow me in all my other social media handles, I'll link them down in the description box below, or you can just visit my website. It's mxnmacky.com. I'll have all my links on there practically. Alright guys, so for today's video we are doing an unboxing and try on, so I'm just gonna go straight into it right away. So we have some products from FORLEST, which is a lingerie slash undergarment company. So they sent me a nice little card. Hi Maxine, thanks for collaborating with us. We appreciate it. We have sent you 2 bras, which are Jelly Gel Mia in blush and Jelly Gel Amber in scarlet. 2 briefs, scarlet and an Americano, 2 nipple covers, and 1 lingerie wash bag for you. We hope you like them all and let us know how you feel about them. Looking forward to your feedback. Thank you so much to the team at FORLEST. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly do the unboxing, and then we are gonna quickly model it up for you guys, I guess. So this is their packaging. It's so cute. They come with bows just for you. Thank you, FORLEST. Okay, so guys, do I look like Alexa Demi from Euphoria season 2? Anyways, let's go ahead and open this guy. So this is the lingerie wash bag. Cute. So you pop that in and then you throw it in the wash. That way it keeps your delicates delicate. Thank you so much, FORLEST, for that. Alright, next product. So this is the, I believe, the Scarlet Brief. It says extra large on there. It looks giant. That's the brief. Maybe it'll fit. We'll find out. Oh, what's this? A cute little travel bag. That's adorable. Cute. I like. Awesome. 2 nipple covers. Just standard. These actually are super handy. Because I have my implants, I don't normally have to wear a bra as often. So typically I'll just do like nipple covers or whatever instead of like wearing a bra, because I don't need one. Also, if I'm shiny in my cheek area, I accidentally set my face with the translucent glow like an idiot. So now I'm glowing like a disco ball. So we have the 2 extra large briefs. I hope they fit me. FORLEST, inspired to provide supportive and comfortable bras for women, we are establishing an entirely new category with our exclusive patent right, a revolutionary technology known as Jelly Gel, a new species between wired and wireless, a super flexible gel. We call it Jelly. Cool. So it says you hand wash in the lingerie bag or gentle cycle. And don't forget, you can follow FORLEST on Instagram and check out their products at forlest.official. So let's check out these jellies. Guys, your packaging is so nice. It comes in a bag. This is awesome. Ooh, that feels so good. It is like jelly. Just gonna give you support without like the underwire, I guess. Feels nice. That's comfortable. So I should pair those up, I guess. And then it's so cool that they have a nice little, what is this? Cloth bag. It feels nice. It's like velvet. So let's open this one up. Ooh, what's this? There's goodies in there. So this is the FORLEST. I believe this is like obviously the scarlet one. So what's the difference between the two? So this one is a smaller kind of coverage. And this one is, okay, it's more of like a sports kind of bralette. This feels really sturdy. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustments. And they're like just little hooks. They feel really sturdy. And that's the lining. This looks so comfortable. And then this is the scarlet one, number 3. So just to show you, again, it's super sturdy. Oh, and you can take out the cups if you wanted, but I don't want to. Okay, so let's just do a little fashion show. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly try these on for you, showcase them a little bit, and then give you my final thoughts on FORLEST. So, BRB. Wow guys, okay, so I am an extra large apparently. The briefs fit really well, super comfortable, I don't have to tuck, it's very secure, which is fantastic for trans girls who don't have bottom surgery. It's going to keep you in place, but it's super comfortable. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything, but it holds you in, which is fantastic. The bra is amazing. These jelly gels are so nice. And they really do hold you up nicely. Like, they make my boobs look even more perky. Also, I need to take my extensions out. I've had them in for so long. Ow. I like this color a lot too. Wow, FORLEST. I'm a huge fan. I love this. Also, they gave me a cute little measuring tape, little travel measuring tape, which is great. You never know when you need to measure your bust, I guess. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go and try on the Scarlet Amber set. Be right back. Alright guys, so that was the try on. My place is a little messy right now because I am doing some projects, so that's why I'm isolated in the office. But I will say, FORLEST, for the record, these are probably the most comfortable bras I've ever worn. Hands down. And they give you a nice push up and a little lift, a little like extra. I'm feeling myself. Can you tell? Can you tell? Yeah. And this one's nice because you can wear it as a crop top, as a bralette, which is what I'm gonna wear it today as. I'm probably just gonna throw on a nice jacket and some high-waist pants or joggers. Very stylish. Love it. It's so comfy. It's very Electra. Awesome. Okay, so verdict, guys, if you want comfortable bras, you should definitely check out FORLEST because these are so comfortable. And the briefs, if you're a trans girl and you want to just like relax and not have to talk or whatever, these briefs are actually really nice. They are secure, they hold you in, and they have really good coverage. So good one FORLEST. I love it. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this try on, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media handles. I'll link those down in the description. Also, my website is, also you can visit my website, mxnmackie.com. It has all my links, everything you need on there, and I am launching something super exciting soon. I'm doing it slowly but surely. I'm not in a rush because I'm by myself trying to like launch this thing and it's hard, but I'm super excited. I hope you tune in to the next video. And thank you all so much for sticking by me and still supporting me. Again, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm on Twitter, OnlyFans. I have a Patreon, guys. Also, guys, I don't earn from monetization here on YouTube, just a heads up. I do not earn from ads because my content is not for kids. So the best way you can help me is to subscribe to my Patreon so I can keep creating high quality videos for you and creating more art as well. I do plan on launching a art website. Gosh, I'm so glowy. It's that translucent powder. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this try on. I'm obsessed with this bra. I'm actually also digging this backdrop. This office has, I need to tidy up, but other than that, I'm just blessed to have an office. Anyways, guys, love you all so much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, FORLEST. Bye.
Better